restart this game while on stream because you're gonna see the wait, I can't find a game from Streamlabs, and I didn't want you guys like see the behind the scenes. That's where we started. Also, we've had quite the delay in the stream at this point. Like, I think you guys were like quite the stream was quite behind at this point, so maybe it's better now. We'll see. You're what? Yeah, I felt that. There was a bit of delay. Yes, there was definitely delay. I guess after 5 hours of streaming that makes sense. Anyway, what am I talking for? Let's continue. I know my test stream. It's gone again. Oh. Alright, a gordo slime will eat until it bursts. We know that. Thank you for the tip, though. Spending 20 seconds in agony of you not responding to my chat. No worries, it's over now. Yeah, that seems much faster. Yes! Fast. Wasn't too bad, actually. Ah, okay, I'm glad it didn't bother you too much. Got Resident Evil Village. Nice! Have fun! Have fun getting scared! Whoop. Oh, nice. Now this is satisfying. Nice! PogChamp. What does that even mean? I don't know what that means. I just heard Jacksepticeye scream it all the time, and now I want to scream it too, but I don't know what I'm saying, so that's a problem. Chickens! Nice. Shoo. Hi. Can I help you? That's what I get for reading! Such a PogChamp anime. Okay. No, sound alerts, go away. I still don't know what you mean. Oh, by the way, I got myself some tea for my throat because my vocal cords are weak. So, excuse me. While it's a Twitch emote, like a reaction. Whoa, I see. So if Jacksepticeye screams, that's epic PogChamp. What does that mean? Does that mean something is good? I know that Pog means play of the game. At least I hope it does. I hope it means that. Have you drank red tea? No, it's black tea with milk and honey. Whoop. Nice. Ah, oh, that feels good. It's like a surprised mouth open reaction. Ah, I see. Is it the snake by any chance? The snake is funny. Whoa, did I get that one? That was wild. Wow. Hi. Oh. Okay. Yikes! I'm gonna get out of here. Out of here. Do. Okay, nice. Okay. That's a way out for today. Nice. But right now we don't need the— oh no, my stamina. Okay. Oh god, maybe I should go down. There's a lot of kookaburras. No, it was a pro gamer, but it got removed because he made some choices. Oh, really? Huh. Today, Q? Or in general? Reza. No! It's new, everybody! Can we get a shout out for new? Hi! Welcome! Hello! Make me wanna play Slam Ranch so bad. I might get it later. Do it! It's so fun! And play it on stream. I wanna watch while I'm not playing. I can't get enough of this game. Whoa! No! No! I dropped it somewhere and I can't find it anymore. Ow. They're all so violent. They're so mean. Hi. Well. Whoop. Ow. She. Oh yeah, and he hated being associated with it. It's hilarious. The guy who created it wasn't great. Most people just assume it with the act of fogging out. Don't think about him, thankfully. Yeah, I had no idea it was created by one guy. Whoa! Oh wow! Stop! Slams and chill. Yes, we sliming and chilling. Yes, got a caps lock. Ah, that's fine. My entire personality is caps lock, unfortunately. Do you think your VTuber model has helped with your stream? Oh, definitely! I can express myself so much better. And I think it's a little different than when you see just a game. You know, in the preview on Twitch. And instead you see like a cute little anime girl. I think maybe some people are more drawn to that. But I don't know. Maybe it did not help me and I'm just a disgusting anime weeb who is just frowned upon by the community. We'll have to see. No, Kimo. Oh my god. It's so fancy to meet you. Hey Flurry! Hello! How are you doing? In the model and the voice is the greatest. I'm glad you think so, Avengers. You put a lot of work into it. Same, came for the art, but stayed for the enjoyment. Oh! Oh, thank you! That's such a great compliment, thanks! Honestly, I think your model really caters to the masses. Also, your personality and voice are like of an angel. No! My voice is like the most obnoxious. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop insulting myself, I promise. I just... It's hard to agree with that. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna be mean to myself. Glad you're growing a... Wish you was as soft as a mashed potato. Oh, you are soft as a mashed potato. A cute Krampus, the cutest. Glad you're growing a community. I'm glad you're here. I'm very grateful that y'all even want to listen. To be honest. So thank you. Thank you. I hope this looks like bowing and not like some weird spasm I'm doing. Potata. Yeah, so obnoxious that I just can't help but come back to get more. Ah. She already did an arrow. No, don't expose me. Don't give in, stay strong. It's too late. I am now. I'm now on the lower, just on the bottom of the wheat barrel. You know, just. No! Stop, guys! No, don't. It's posted on Discord. Oh my god! Just waiting for one good RR, then I will go to heaven in peace. No. We're back! Yes, hello, Prince! Hi! Oh my god. Yeah, clips now. And I have unlimited power to link that clip? Absolutely not! Do not give him any power mods. He shall remain powerless. No! No! And Ara's never happened in here, and we are say-so as fuck. I have to go now. I hope you have a great rest of your stream. Thank you, Hilda! Thank you so much! Thank you for being here and have a nice day today. See ya! Oh! It's time for Kathireza! Thank you so much for redeeming me. Did I hear ara ara? No! No, 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 no. You misheard. Can I has power, please? No, Luke! Don't, cat razor! Whoa! Meow! Thanks for redeeming Luke! And do not give him any power! No! Oh my god, what have I done? I have ruined my image. I've already done that actually, but... I don't want to admit it yet. I'm still in denial over it, I'm sorry. No! Yes, Nu is fucking amazing indeed! Everyone Nu loben. Also, has there been a shout out for you? No? I don't... Yee, let me just get to safety and check that real quick. You said ruined, I see perfected. Wait, me, new baby. Let me just... Guys, check out Nu. She's amazing! I love her. And she's also working on her live 2D model right now. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I've seen a work in progress of it and I love it so much. The cat goth queen said no power! No power for Luke. No power for the ara ara. There will be nothing. I will eradicate it. Sent the clip in a DM. Luke! I had to put it on hold because of VTuber prom. Oh yeah. By the way, I don't think I can come for the same reason. It's my live 2D avatar. I want to do some things for it and I don't think I'll have time to make a 3D version. So I will probably not join this time, but I would really love to come next time if you'll still have me. Wow, oh no, my stream is gonna die. Not my stream, my phone. Let me just... What? Nice. I kiss you all, moi. Oh, Nuki. Did you make the TikTok page? No, I did not make a TikTok page yet. I'm sorry. I didn't realize your porn star and wings changed. Yes, it's a redeem. You can change those. You can give me cat ears and turn everything black. And it's a fun little game we have. I like it very much. Whoa! Who's there? I'm Patty. Thank you for voting. It's very sweet. Yes, please be my +1. Oh, I would love to be. I only have a 3D version, but don't know if I can a 2D version. Maybe it would be really fun if you could. But 3D is also very, very cool. I think you can do even more things in 3D than in 2D. So it's actually, maybe, I don't want to say better or worse, but very nice. Both are nice. Both are good. Luke sent me the I don't know. No. No. So I can wink. Nice. Nice. That's the best part. Disappointment cannot be measured. No. Why did you listen to it? I'm sorry, Mom. It can be a 2D model if you just stand against the wall the whole time. I made that happen. You did! Isn't 3D just superior to 2D? Probably. I don't know, I've never used it. Come over and whoop a Metro's butt. The look always delivers. Sorry, I need to hold my phone weird now because it's loading. But I will still try to keep up. Okay, our way back. Actually, we're kind of full. We can go back. I'll grab this real quick. Woo! I'll be having some tea. My throat is killing me. Tea break. Oh, all right. That's nice. That feels great. Dum 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 dum. Okay. I'm reading chat from your phone. Yes, I don't. Guys, I need help. I don't know how to put the chat overlay in my stream because I know it's in game overlay. And I'm sorry, I'm currently in my settings. An overlay and everything, but it doesn't show up. It's T, Reza. Pretoriana, you're a genius. So 3D one came first. Oh. I only started VTubing because I wanted a VR chat character. Oh, that's cool. It's a cool origin story. Excuse me, I'll have some water as well. I use Streamlabs. And I've also positioned I positioned the chat and everything, but I don't know, do I have to activate it? Need emote of Razor sipping tea. That would be so fun. Let me write that down. Tea. Emote. And oh, those are cute emotes, Prince. Yep. Alright. Okay. And yeah, I have some notifications. Don't know what those do though. So I'll be ignoring them. And I know just Reza holding a giant cup of steaming tea. Yes! Should I be concerned that I can bet Queen Reza? You can try it out and see what happens. A giant teacup. A giant teacup. Oh well, I got some spicy tofu. Now I'm gonna bring that to my cuties. I'm hoping it's a version where Reza is a bad queen and not hitting you with a bat. Bye guys, you're amazing. Bye Gustine! See ya! See ya Gustine, bye bye! Have a nice day! Teacup merchant coming. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet and soy. Gio, that's adorable. Okay. Oh, we have a lot of money. I'm gonna use it. Yes. Yes. Oh, we don't have any money anymore. That's how fast it goes. Oh, okay. Hey, Reza, wanna hear something funny? Yes! Always! Jin, 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 Jin. Hi, Wolfie! Hello! Jin, Jin, Jin. There we go. Oh shoot! I completely forgot to sell these! Huh. Look at me. La 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 la. Oh, yeah. Okay, I will also add the miracle mix. Here, eat my loves, eat. Why does Peter Pan always fly? Because he never lands. Hilarious. That's a cute joke. Started getting less money since getting the lab because I'm using all my plorts for crafting. Yeah, yep, same Ampari. But then we filled our lab up because you can't. Yeah. Oh no, where did I? Oh, I left the market link somewhere again. Ugh, I hate when that happens. Ah, there. Eat. Din, 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 din. But now we're just earning some money for the 7C rewards club. Whoop. Bat Queen Reza! Wow! But make it goth! Thank you, Pretoriano, for redeeming. What do you call a doctor with 8 arms? A doctopus. Oh. You guys are hurting me. Where did I leave this goddamn market link? I made these so I don't have to run around. Now I have to run around because I'm a dork. There we go. Pick up. No, es ist a Fräse dying inside, ja. Was ist weiß und stirbt beim Essen? Eine Lawine. That was kind of funny. What do you get from 7C Rewards Club? Thought it was just customizations and toys. You also get like expert drills that drill like 4 times instead of 2 or 3. Or do they drill 5 times? They drill often. Good drill. So that sort of stuff. And I don't know if you get more updates for your tank, etc. But I think you do. But I'm not entirely sure yet. You unlock a lot of stuff if you throw your money on them. So I'm doing that right now. Was ist grün und mit dem Knopfdruck rot? Oh. Die Drills go brrr. Wie heißt der Azubi beim Zollamt? Filzstift. What? What? I don't get that one. Filzstift? Is that like a name? Or... I'm sorry. Unlocking lots of stuff by throwing money at it? Well, I can tell you that has worked exceptionally well for you too. Wait, what the heck? No! Oh no. I was a second too late. Can I throw things? Oh no, now they're super cheap. Fudge. Ist ein Tebens. Das sieht noch. Stift für Azubi und Filzen für die Tätigkeit beim Zocken. Oh, I've never heard. Ich habe beide Bezeichnungen noch nie gehört. I'm not German enough. Yeah, it's okay. Now it's time to sell the phosphor plorts. No, I forgot the market link again. Stop doing that, woman. There we go. Yes, here is perfect. Why did the otter cross the street? To get to the other side. Why? Azubi werden bei vielen Berufen Stift genannt. I see. I've never heard that before. That's so interesting. Our supreme leader is here. Hi, guten Tag. Hello. Welcome. Tattoo. Oh my god, the phosphors are worth more than the red ones right now. That's so sad. More! That's still not enough money. I think I'm gonna have to collect these. Because they can finish them. There we go. Slow down a little, please, food dispenser. I picked up this game as well a few days ago and started playing it a little between studying for exams. Pretty fun, but I'm an absolute noob and don't know half the stuff. Oh, that's fine! Exploring Slime Rancher is so fun. I hope you'll enjoy it. Wenn man dein Deutsch... Ich meine, du wärst britisch. I have a strong dialect in German. And so I'm trying to talk as normally as possible so people still understand me. So it might sound really, really weird. I've been combining a lot with phosphorus because I've been growing a lot of cuberries. Nice! Nice! I did hear that combining them is so much more efficient. But I kind of don't like... It's such a dumb reason. I don't like the look of largos in my pens. So I just keep them like this. Why play this logically if you can just do weird things that make no sense? Okay, ship, 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 ship. Last time, money, money. Told my wife that when we have a son, I want to call him Lance. She said that's too uncommon of a name, but honestly, back in medieval times, people were called Lancelot. Avengers! Lancelot. Oh boy. Some Largo combinations look pretty nice, and it helps to get double throats from other slime types too, so I've been doing it. Yep, I do think that's the smart thing to do, definitely. How do you get the double height cages? You update them in these here, and you get an option for high walls. And you click that, and it makes double high. And if you have flying ones, you can even make a roof for them. That's the air net, but I don't have that here, but it will show up in yours if you haven't built it yet. Guys, I found a rainbow ornament. Happy Pride Month! Happy Pride Month! Ah, that's wonderful! Oh, I didn't even know they had a menu like that. Oh no, Supreme! Yes, they do! It's very useful. It's like this funny little... this here, the glowy thing. Press E to activate and then you just improve your stuff. Finally got my first hunter plort. Debating what to combine it with now. Whoa! Oh, excuse me, water break! Well, if you grow a lot of cuberries, a phosphor would make sense. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realized how long we've been playing. I need to prepare for the art stream this evening. So, oh my god, I'm so sorry now that you're all back. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh, when did we start playing? At 8? Ah! Anyway, I get give me Overwatch. Wait, I'm gonna read here so you can. So my reaction is normal. By any chance, did you ever play Final Fantasy VIII? I never played any of the Final Fantasy games. But I want to change that. Oh wait, I played the MMO Final Fantasy game. But other than that, not really, no. Big Joey here! Thank you for following, welcome, hello! I'm so sorry, we're about to stop, we're about to raid somebody, I'm very sorry. But thank you for being here. We'll be streaming again in a few hours, so... Give me, oh, watching and know what to do. Give me this game and I'm an absolute noob. Oh, that's so cute! Wanted to have friend chill in the pool tomorrow, but forgot the pride's tomorrow. Yeah. I'm not vaccinated yet, so I won't be joining you. No need to be sorry. The stream says you've only been live for 30 minutes. Yes, because we restarted. Because we had such a delay in it. We streamed, I think, 5.5 hours before. It's fine. Had a great time. Very comfy stream. Oh, I'm glad you liked it. Joey, how is the lovely ultrasound? Oh my god! Ah. I'm well, Joey. Thank you. Thank you. How are you doing? FX6XFL. Yes. Yes, on party. Yes, that one. But not for a long time, and I didn't get far because I didn't have much free time at the time. But now I do. Or more like I have streaming time. Getting addicted. Oh, nice. Wait, shooting stars as a leitmotif of the main romance character is why I asked. Really? 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 Oh, let me write that down. I think we need to play it. 8, okay. I'm gonna check it out. That's nice. Oh, they're adorable. Aww, that's so cute. I'm going to have to make sure my notifications on so I can catch the next stream. Then yes, yes, it will be. Let me tell you the time. It will be in 2.5 hours. Oh fuck! I really need to prepare. And I need to take another nebula shower. Yeah, speaking with big truth here. Oh man, Rose, you're so adorable, so bad. I'm going to have to... yeah, I'm great, just up at 7:30 am. Been up since yesterday. Wow. Wow. Holy... Wow, guacamole. Damn, please guys, sleep enough. It's not healthy to stay up too long. Hey, why is this adorable not a safe place? Ah, Big Joey! What do you usually prepare? I'm streaming from off, or however you say that. I'm streaming from my laptop. So I need to change the camera and recalibrate my model and set up my capture card. All those, you know, those boring technical things that nobody cares about. Also, I need to rest my voice because I've been talking for 6 hours. And yeah, those kind of things. So many having comfy vibes. Sucking off the top like a sponge. Oh my god! Oh, epic! I have Bat Queen. It's time for the Bat Queen. Ta-da! Make it gas! Wait, is it... What is it you use for the VTuber model? It's VTube Studio. Yeah, I first had Face Rig, but that was a little too uncustomizable for me. So I use VTuber Studio now because it's excellent. It's made for this. So of course it has more customizable things. I see, technical things are good and interesting, but good luck with the preparations. Thank you! Ta-ta! Ta-da! If you're just laying that and says you're Big Joey, you're so cute. Stop it! I'm gonna get embarrassed. Bye! Bye! See ya! See ya, Prince! And we're gonna look for somebody to rate now. On Twitch! Oh wait, I should probably stop the timer here. Yes, okay. Guys, Tildageist is streaming. Should we? Should we bully Hildegeist again? Let's raid her stream. Let's take over his G. Gonna have to see about getting my own setup so I can have a reason to stream. Yes! Do it! Do it! I want you all to stream! You're all so funny. You could do really well, I think. Have a great day! Blushing flush. No bully here! Only takeover! Bye! Bye! Okay. I need to get into my dashboard. Then I need to get in rating. I want Hilda Geist. I want Hilda Geist. Yes. I want to open her Twitch though because I want to see her reaction. That's my favorite part. Okay, Hilda. Here we go. Okay. Let's raid her. Let's raid her. Everyone get in the raid. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, who's there? Oh my gosh, Morbonica, thank you so much for following. I'm so sorry. We're gonna raid somebody now, but I hope you'll still enjoy it. And I will be back in 2.5 hours. So, thank you so much for following. And see you guys. Go my stars. Goodbye. Oh my gosh. Well, I wanna say. Stream starting soon. She just started. Nice. Okay, see ya.